Question number 122, Srimati Supriya.
Question number 122. Honorable Madam, through you, I would like to ask the Honorable Minister that in his reply he has admitted that the FM channels have not been permitted to broadcast news. In this day where there are so many private channels, telephone has so much information, and with right to information not allowing news on a basic radio channel, which is access to every common man in this country, what is the logic of continuing with this policy of no news on private channels?
It is not that this is a policy which was taken right from day one. As you know, the first, when the FM private channels were allowed, they were allowed in the first range in 2000, and that time only 21 channels came up. But now in the second phase, there are more centers. The third phase is on now, the process is on. And by 15th March, 30th March 2015, the third phase, where more 220 new cities, from 86 cities we have the FM channels, now we will have in 227 cities, and today we have 294, there will be 839 new channels. तो इसमें न्यूज़ देने का एक प्रोविजन पहली दफ़ा आ रहा है कि न्यूज़ ऑल इंडिया रेडियो की न्यूज़ है, वो क्लिप लगाने की बात है कि रेडियो पे जो न्यूज़ चलती है उसी की क्लिप को आप दिखा सकते हैं. अब दूसरा भी उसमें विचार है, क्या सुना सकते हैं? यस, थैंक यू. तो वो जो सुना सकते हैं आप एफएम चैनल पे, अब उसी को अगर अपनी आवाज में कोई पढ़ना चाहता है, वही एयर इंडिया न्यूज़ की क्लिप को, तो वो एक विचार का मुद्दा है और सरकार उस पर विचार कर रही है. दूसरे भी उसमें इश्यूज है. Broadcast pertaining to the certain categories like information pertaining to the sporting event, traffic and weather, coverage of cultural events, festivals, coverage of topics pertaining to examination, results, admissions, career counseling, availability of employment opportunities, public announcement pertaining to civic amenities, electricity, water supply, natural calamities, health alerts, as provided by local administration, will be treated as non-news and current affair broadcast and will therefore be permissible in the FM news.
Yes, second question.
To extend that, so if you are giving so much freedom, why are you holding back freedom of speech just of you news? That's my question. Because it is very helpful. Like I'll give you an example. When Mumbai had a lot of rain issues or traffic issues, when the city wants to sound out about anything, FM radios play a very good and a positive role even for social causes. So why not give them permission with freedom of speech of whatever news is anyway available on television, because a lot of pockets, and with your permission I would like to extend this question to community radios as well, because there are pockets of India which today unfortunately don't have access to all the television media, where radio plays a very, very important role. So why not use this as a weapon to share information to the bottom of the pyramid citizens of this country? That's my only point.
So जैसे मैंने पहले कहा कि ये नहीं है कि आप न्यूज़ नहीं दे सकते. न्यूज़ देने की नीति तीसरे चरण में आ रही है. So they will be permitted to air the news from the All India Radio bulletins. That is one. Second, as I told you, for public announcement, that is also allowed. So this is a really new extension. As other channels or television channels give the news, so there is issue which is being discussed. But the first decision was taken by the cabinet, and therefore any change in guidelines will have to be also done by that. The issue is this, that first let us try this with a new thing, where news is not allowed and where now news will be allowed. So with trial we can always change guidelines in time to come as we gain experience, because we can't monitor simultaneously 839 new channels. There is issue of whether it should be monitored or not.
Yes.
But there are other issues also. So we can take decision at appropriate time after having experience of the permission of news which has been now extended in the phase 3.
Thank you. Sri Dr.